Welcome back. It's now time for your lunchtime sports. TVJ Sports understands that the Jamaica Judo Association has suspended judoka Ebony Drysdale-Daly. The suspension takes effect immediately and will remain in place until further notice. Drysdale-Daly recently accused the local governing body of nepotism after she was deregistered from the Lima Pan American Open in Peru, the last chance qualifying event for the Paris Olympics. In a letter obtained by TVJ Sports, the JJA stated that Drysdale-Daly had violated Article 17 of the Code of Ethics, which mandates that members must adhere to the Code of Ethics and prohibits actions that bring disrepute to the association. It further stated that during the suspension, Drysdale-Daly is required to refrain from using the name, logo, or any other association with the Jamaican Judo Association in any public or private capacity, adding that any violation of this requirement may result in further disciplinary actions. Checks with Drysdale-Daly revealed that prior to the suspension, she was not called to a disciplinary hearing and was only advised of the suspension in writing. The JJA has noted in their letter that the matter will be referred to a disciplinary committee. The JJA also advised Drysdale-Daly that she has 28 days to appeal the suspension. Reggae Boys head coach Heimir Hallgrímsson has called on Jamaicans to put their support behind the players selected to represent the country at the upcoming Copa America tournament in the USA. His comments come following Leon Bailey's controversial withdrawal from the Reggae Boys squad after being named in the 26-member unit on Wednesday. Hallgrímsson says the focus is now on the tournament, which kicks off on June 20 in the USA.
And in his case, he decided not to want to play for Jamaica. That's his decision, and that's every player's right to refuse to play for the nation. And he opted to do that, not to play for Jamaica. End of story for me. Absolutely end of story. Now I would like just everyone to focus on those players that want to play for Jamaica and want to represent Jamaica. And let's put our focus and support to those players.
The Reggae Boys have been drawn in Group B alongside fellow CONCACAF team Mexico, Ecuador and Venezuela. Jamaica is set to face Mexico on June 22 in their first encounter. Defending champions Argentina will face another CONCACAF team, Canada, in the opening match of the tournament on June 20. Now, the 2024 European Football Championship begins today with hosts Germany battling Scotland in Group A play at the Allianz Arena in Munich. Kickoff is 2 p.m. Jamaica time. This is the only match on Friday before the tournament hits a 3-match-per-day cadence for the next 3 days. Germany is heavily favored to win at home and are only behind England and France and the odds to win the tournament. And Germany have won the tournament 3 times, which is tied with Spain for the most titles ever. Now, all eyes will be on German midfielder Toni Kroos, who will retire after the tournament. Kroos has won everything possible in Germany and Spain during his club career and was a member of Germany's 2014 World Cup winning squad, but has never won the Euros. Meanwhile, Scotland have never reached the knockouts of the Euros in any of their 3 previous appearances at the tournament in 1992, 1996 and 2021. Italy are defending champions. And that is the final whistle, and I am Jermaine Brown. Shane, back to you.
Thanks, Jermaine. And that's the Midday News. I'm Shane Masters. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports and production teams, have a good afternoon.